What is going on, guys? It is Joe and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Okay, I'm starting this video off like I've been starting off my previous videos. I've given a couple shout out to some people that left some comments in the comment section of the last video. It's been a minute since I posted a video. It's been around, what, 4 days ago? Last video was on Tuesday. This past Thursday was Thanksgiving. Because of that reason, I didn't want to make a video and post on Thanksgiving. People were out busy that day enjoying some time with their families, eating some food, having a good time. I decided to save that video for today, the day this video is being uploaded, which is Sunday. And then after this, we'll be back on track with Tuesdays, Thursdays, and possibly Sundays uploads. I'm at the tail end of school right now, so cranking out 3 videos a week is a little challenging. We're doing our best, but I'm for sure giving you at least 2. For sure too. But that's enough chit chat. Let's give out a couple shout outs to some comments. First comment is by Myra. Let's go. First comment, love the useful tips you always give. I mean, all I give is a useful tip.
That's what she said.
Oh, but on a serious note, thank you. I appreciate it. The goal of this channel is always just to help people, give the useful tips, just the simple things that you can do immediately to help you lose weight, keep the weight off, make you a better and healthier you. Drew Merks, will you read this comment? Yes, I will read this comment. Not only that, I will also shout it out in the video, and I replied to you. And last but not least, let's give a shout out to Mike. I've been watching you since your protein ice cream video, which I think was around a year ago now. I'm glad to see you finally been getting the recognition you deserve. You should try and do some more collabs with similar creators like Ethan Harold. Keep grinding. Shout out to you, Mike. I mean, you were an OG. That was like the first 5 videos I put out, and it was a little over a year ago. I have been consistently uploading for a little over a year, and I will absolutely be looking to do some collabs. I'm always down to do some collabs. Similar creators, even creators that are maybe not similar in the future. I even have a trainer in my gym that has a YouTube channel. She does very well on here as well. I've been meaning to try and collab with her. She's been slacking. She's been slacking on me. If you watch this video, you know who you are. But I'm always down to collabs, whoever wants to. I mean, my DMs are open. Oh, shout out to those people who have left a comment in the comment section down below. If you guys want to be shout out in the next video, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Not only that, it helps the algorithm, helps the channel grow. We're trying to expand our reach here. Our goal was to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If that doesn't happen, let's still try and get as close to that as possible. Leaving a like, leaving a comment, it seriously helps the algorithm, helps push us into recommended, and that is how we get more traction on our videos. Also, I just want to point out, okay, at 1,000 subs, we're giving away $1,000, okay? And literally right now, 55.8% of you are not subscribed out there. I'm literally looking at the analytics right now. You guys that are watching, just hit that subscribe button. We be there at 1,000. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment. Lastly, before I end the video, okay, we have just hit 681 subscribers, so I appreciate those who have hit that subscribe button. On the road to 1,000. At 1,000, we're giving away $1,000. Other than that, sit back, relax, enjoy this new video. What is going on, guys? It is Joe and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Okay, today we're starting off with some breakfast. Full day of eating, plus this is day 4 of the 5-day training split. It's literally my 4th day in a row recording, and it's a lot of footage I'm gonna have to go through. But what we have going on here is 1 whole apple, which is 170 grams, and then some protein pancakes. Protein, oats, yogurt, egg whites. Pretty simple. I'll leave the full recipe in the description down below if you guys want to give it a little bit of a try. Of course, I'm gonna put on some Miss Buttersworth as well. Wetter the better, baby. The wetter the better. Total calories of this meal, 756 calories. Overall, macros for the entire thing is 66 grams of protein, 97 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fiber, and then 10 grams of fat. Go on a little bit of a taste test, shall we? Oh, I know Chris Bumstead's recent videos, and he was having some protein pancakes, and they just look too good to pass up here. Superset in an apple here. But yeah, this is gonna be my pre-workout meal. I'm gonna eat this, go to the gym. We have a chest, back, and bicep workout to do. So I'm gonna eat this, and I will see you guys at the gym. Already just got home from the gym, showered, all that good stuff. I have to go to my gym where I work out because we're having a meeting with all the trainers there, and they're gonna be supplying lunch, I guess. I believe it's Chick-fil-A. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be having from Chick-fil-A. They're just gonna be giving us some food there. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna eat that as my lunch. I will definitely update you as far as what I had, and I will see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, back here with the next meal of the day. At the meeting, we had some Chick-fil-A. I had a large fry, a grilled chicken sandwich, and then a deluxe sandwich. So it was free, and I said, why not? The issue is, and this is the issue that I had in this own space of mine, just the house that I live in. My mom made cookies over the weekend. And you know, the best way to not binge eat or overeat is just to not have that stuff around you. I was hungry at the meeting. I had my grilled sandwich and I had a fry, and I was like, okay, I'm pretty satisfied. And then there was extra sandwiches left, and I was like, well, you know, so I had the extra sandwich. So same thing with the cookies in the house. Well, like, I wouldn't have cookies if the cookies just weren't in the house. So if you're worried about like binging on certain foods, just do yourself a favor, get them out of the house. It prevents you from obviously overeating and eating foods that you just shouldn't be. But next meal of the day, what we have here is a bowl of Smart Pop popcorn as well as 7 ounces of salmon. With all that food, Chick-fil-A included, our overall calories for the entire day are 2651. Overall macros is 182 grams of protein, 294 grams of carbs, 32 grams of fiber, and then 85 grams of fat. So I'm gonna eat this right here. I'm gonna have one more meal of the entire day. I think I'm gonna make that smoothie that I saw on Will Tennison's channel. I think that's gonna be my next meal. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. I will see you guys in the next meal. Alrighty, here with the last meal or snack of the entire day. I didn't have that shake. I ended up just grabbing some turkey slices and just put some mustard on it. Pretty simple, just a very lean source of protein. That shake is way too filling to have right before bed. I ended up doing about 30 minutes of cardio as well, so my appetite isn't quite as like ravenous. Every time I do cardio, I'm not really too hungry after, so just have some turkey, just like this, on some mustard. Yeah. My sister usually eats like salami slices. Recommendation, get a lower calorie meat, brings the calories down. But my sister is an extremely like lean individual, so she can afford to eat salami slices and not be like in a surplus. But those that are looking to try and be in deficit, that like board of cheeses and meats, what is it called? Like a charcuterie, that board, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, that board. Yeah, put that board away. Get the fat-free cheese, get some turkey slices instead. Put on some bread, have a sandwich instead. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed day 4 of the training split, which is the chest, the back, and bicep workout today. 4th installment of this full day of eating / new split series. I got one more episode to go. I really filmed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and tomorrow's Friday. 5 days in a row. To have these videos ready and uploaded, just to make it all cohesive, just to make it all nice and organized on the channel. You can see workout to workout and get those in the description down below. Anyways, I'm wrapping the video up here. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys are new. It's been your boy Joe. Peace.